Inchash nanaktush and kakushin Lil'wat ulkan statlimkan uchamilch shamachquachich Tanina William. I am so excited about our guest speakers today, and I want to welcome them to the land of the Lil'wat people and to welcome everybody at our school to the land of the Lil'wat people, and to recognize that we have students and people that work at our school that are from Lil'wat. And I'm so happy to be here to talk about Mount Meager. And I wanted to share just a short story about when I was a little girl, grade 3. And my grandpa, on my mom's side, my grandpa, Joe, he said to me, this is the territory of our people. He said, when you climb to the top of Mount Meager, and you look out towards the ocean, which is in the direction of Vancouver Island, and when you can see the ocean, that's where our territory line is. I always wondered about that, is that true? I'd like to see that someday. It just made me very curious. But I was like, how could you see the ocean? We're so far from the ocean. But when you look at it on a map, and I'll show you a picture of the map, you can see it. Yeah, it's far, but it's plausible. And then one day, several years ago, some people came to talk to us about this, because it's actually documented in some of our books, right? Yes, at one time Mount Meager was high enough, because it's a volcano, it was high enough, and the ocean used to be closer inland, that we could have seen the ocean. And because it's volcanic, it's shrunk and the ocean has receded. I just loved it because it's true, right? This is the land of the Lil'wat people. I just love this map. It was like, this is so cool. I just wanted to share that with you, and to know that the Lil'wat people have been here for such a long time that they could see the ocean from the top of Mount Meager. Kukstum we, eh.